Welcome back to Fall in the Field 2020 Water Quality Testing. Remember our theme, Stories of Change and Resilience? Nature is constantly changing. Bodies of water and their water quality can change too. Can you think of how Hyatt Lake might change over the course of the year? With different seasons, rain and snow cause water levels to rise and fall. Animals visit Hyatt Lake at different times and bring some other things with them too. All of these factors can change the water quality. When we tested at Hyatt Lake for nitrates and chlorides, the water level was really low because it was late summer and it hadn't rained for a long time. And the water was also used in the summer to water farmers' plants. This might make concentrations of nitrates and chlorides higher than in other seasons. How else might water quality change over time? After you finish this video, it's time to write your positive story of change. So first, pull up your worksheet, and where you will fill this out is down here at the bottom. And you can read the directions there, but before you can write your plan of how to help Hyatt Lake, we need to go back up to our results table up here, and first we need to look at the results and decide if we think these results are too high or too low. So we got nitrates, there were 15 parts per million, and for chlorides there were also 15 parts per million. And so you can look at the drinking water standard and the ideal concentration for aquatic life to help tell you if 15 parts per million is too high or too low. Now, after you decide which one for both nitrates and chlorides, then you can go over and look at your sources column over here. Where did you think that the nitrates and chlorides in Hyatt Lake came from? You might have thought that they came from sewer or from rocks or salt on the road for chlorides. And once you decide if your results are too high or too low, you will know if you need to lower the sources or have more of the sources. So if you thought that our nitrates were too high, you would want to try to think of ways that you could reduce the sources that you thought the nitrates came from. So, what do you think? How can you help Hyatt Lake? Remember to be creative. Go back down here and you can either write in this box or you can draw on a separate piece of paper your positive story of change. Humans can cause changes both good and bad in their environment. For our last activity, you will be able to tell your own positive story of change and imagine how you can help Hyatt Lake and the world around you. For instance, you could pick up any trash that you see. You could buy food from farms that protect the environment. Now is your chance to write your own story of change. Have fun! Thanks for following along. We can't wait to hear your solutions.